If you suffer from allergies, tiredness, headaches, or sleepiness, you might want to watch the rest of this video. This unsettling video showcases the aftermath of a professional cleaning in Denver targeted at extracting 47 years worth of accumulated dust in the vents. And this company specialized in air duct cleaning. They responded to a call from a family who had been plagued by severe allergies. They were suspecting that the discomfort was due to the dust in the vents. The homeowner admitted that he hadn't cleaned the vents for 47 years. Bro should have just kept that to himself. But the employee who worked there speculated that the buildup was actually more than a century's worth of dust. He described the chunks as being so big that he had to manually extract them because they were so big it would have clogged the vacuum. And everybody knows that dust is made up of human cells. Imagine breathing in human cells that are a century old. He further revealed that a staggering 75% of houses they visit have never undergone vent cleanings.